In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the signature in Outlook, specifically within Office 365. Whether you're updating your contact information, changing your job title, or simply want a fresh new look for your email signature, this guide will walk you through the simple process step by step. To start, you'll want to make sure you have the Outlook desktop application open. Once you're in Outlook, turn your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an option to create a new email. Go ahead and click on that to open up a new message window. This new message window is where all the signature editing happens, so keep it open as we move through the rest of the steps. With your new email draft open, you'll notice a series of tabs at the top. Make sure you are in the Message tab. This is where you'll find everything you need to compose your email, including the tools to manage your signature. On the right side of this toolbar, locate the signature icon. It's a little icon that might look like a handwritten signature or a pen. Clicking this icon will bring up a drop-down menu, offering you the option to either add, change, or edit your existing signature. If you decide you'd like to change your current signature or create something entirely new, click on the Signatures option from the drop-down menu. This will open up a separate window where you can make all your adjustments. Go ahead and type in the new details. This might include updating your job title, phone number, company name, website, or adding a personalized closing message like best regards or sincerely. Remember, your email signature is often one of the last things people see, so make sure it represents you well and looks professional. Once you're satisfied with your new signature, click Save. This will ensure that your changes are applied the next time you send out an email. After saving, you can close out of the signature editor and return to your draft email. Now, here's a handy tip. If you have multiple signatures set up for different purposes, you can actually change them directly while composing your email. Simply revisit that signature icon in the Message tab, click it, and alternate between your different signatures. This is especially useful if you have one signature for professional work emails and another for personal correspondence, or if you handle different roles that require tailored sign-offs, like sales inquiries versus customer support replies. You can also set a default signature that automatically appears on all new emails you compose. That option lives in the same window under the Choose Default Signature section. There, you can pick which signature shows up for new emails and which one shows up for replies and forwards. So there you have it. Changing your signature in Outlook on Office 365 is a truly straightforward process that takes less than a minute once you know where to look. And with these steps, you can easily update it anytime your contact details change or whenever you feel like refreshing the look of your emails. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a like, leave a comment with what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more practical Outlook tips. Here is your step summary. First, open Outlook and click New Email to open a message window. Second, go to the Message tab and click the Signature icon. Third, select Signatures from the drop-down menu. Fourth, type your new signature details and click Save. Fifth, use the signature icon again to switch between multiple signatures if needed. And finally, set a default signature in the same window for automatic inclusion on all new emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!